DSET's new for us. We've never done it before. We've never attended and certainly never exhibited. Seen Tess at quite a few trade shows, and she's always talked about DSET and what it is. So I've heard some really good things about it. As DSET's growing, so moving away from Bristol into Cheltenham, and the new venue looks amazing. So we kind of looked at it and thought, yeah, let's give it a go. Certainly focused with the space focus this year as we look at what products we want to kind of showcase. We believe that Ascot 7, which is our flagship product of the ecosystem, has a great space capability. So Wednesday is particularly of interest to us when we focus on that space domain, and hopefully showcasing into the UK and NATO what we can do as Plexsys and what we can offer to their training systems. We do a lot of trade shows around the world, but what really brought us in is that DSET is a focus for the year. It's not just a trade show for 3 days. It's that involvement in the committees and the subcommittees that you get involved with, and that exposure to other companies that, you have meetings at trade shows, but unless you follow them up and unless everyone's really committed, then you don't really get that feedback. But the ability to kind of be involved in these committees and these subcommittees in whichever domain we focus on, I think is really, really important. And that's why I have pushed so hard to get Plexsys. We're only small in the UK, but to get Plexsys involved in DSET, I think is going to offer us a really good opportunity to open up the markets certainly wider through that committee and subcommittee. So that's a big focus for us. Showcasing our ability in that space domain and showing how we can replicate all orbital regimes in Ascot 7 is absolutely key to what we're doing. And the ability to showcase that to the wider environment, being the space people that you're getting in, is absolutely vital for us. So we're really, really looking forward to being able to do that. We're going to have a number of demos just set aside, and we're going to tailor that to whatever that customer is, whoever comes to see us, and we can basically take that demonstration wherever we want to. We're going to listen to what their needs are, and then we're going to hopefully be able to display what we can do to help essentially their simulation and training needs.